So hello guys, I don't know what I'm doing, but hello guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a new video called BeamNG Drive. Sorry if I'm doing a lot of BeamNG Drive videos. I'll do a next video that's clear down. But today we're doing a BeamNG Drive video. So you're wondering, what are we doing? So we're gonna do off-road but with random parts, and yes, it gets crazy. So watch till the end, it will get crazier because we have traffic. And like and subscribe. 3, 2, 1, subscribe now. Subscribe now. So let's begin. Let's subscribe, by the way. Let's try off-roading with this car first. Gonna lie. This is not that wasn't really that good. So let's scramble and see what we get. And we got a so we got a orange car with golden wheels. And yeah, let's off-road with this boy. Let's try if we can go with the rocks. Let's just try. 3, 2, 1, and oh, dang. Oh, dang. Well, the physics on the wheels aren't really that good, but it is good. So now let's try off-roading. Our wheels broken. So we driving in the road, and close call. Wow, that is such a close call. Oh, I swear, go watch the video again. Did that car just appear, or I didn't see it? Yes, our car is broken because I almost touched that. So we're kind of uploading. Oh no, the cops are gonna chase us. Okay, go left. No! This is really hard to drive like this. Oh, the golden wheel is broken. So that's why. I thought it meant this. Sorry, it's not my fault. Ugh. Oh no, it's fine. Oh! Dang, crashed. Okay, so now let's get a new car, scramble everything. Let's see what we have. Okay, I hope we get a good car that's good for off-road. Did I press the right button? Oh, I didn't press it. Okay, in my desktop it looks like it's light blue, and it's not, I guess. Just let's try the performance on rocks first. No, this is a small wheel, so let's not do that. Let's go off-roading here. Okay, it's normal. Oh. Dang. Okay, so let's drive very carefully. Very careful. Let's drive to the left. And okay, we're starting pretty off good. With this is the smallest wheel I've ever seen yet. Okay, let's go to the left. Okay, some rock currents. Can I go past them, please? Okay, we passed it. Oh no, too much rocks will make us stuck. Okay, we're starting off good and we crash. We're stuck. Well, the performance was kinda good, so let's scramble everything. And we got a normal version. Oh, well, let's at least try this on this, then we'll try it on traffic. Not really on traffic, but desert traffic. It's off-road. This is really good. We'll change our car to another off-road vehicle, by the way. This is kind of fast, so guess we flipped. I don't know what's that in the background, but I'm not playing that. So we got the new car and these two cars are stuck, so it's not my fault. Okay, let's off-road with some cars. I don't know why the cars are stuck, maybe because they can't off-road, probably. And whoa, again the pickup truck is back, so I guess it did spawn. So we're off-roading pretty good. Everything's normal. We're not. Oh, we just did that cool. If this video gets famous, then I'm gonna do a teardown video or a brick breaks or gauge mod, anything you want. Well, let's do this and jump. Did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Oh, there's so many rocks here. Oh, it's still good. It's still good. Everything's good. Okay, let's try this terrain. Then we'll go with a new after car. Jump! Oh! Thought we would jump like our last video. We jumped. So let's get a new car. Wait. So we got the buggy. Yes. This is a pretty good car. If this video doesn't get famous, then I'll do another map. And we got the good wheels. This actually looks like a good car to start. And a good car to crash this car. And yeah. Let's try off-roading here. Let's do this. It's pretty hard off-road. And oh, we did a cool jump out there. And the fact that the wheels are small, so that's nice. Let's go try to go up, and pretty crazy, the wheels is working. Let's fix it. We got a new one, but bigger wheels and a small wheel. Yes. So let's try again, off-roading on the wheel. Boing. Well, let me fix something. There's about 3 cars stuck together. Wow. Let's see it fly. Da, 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 da. I have to destroy this so bad. Oh yeah, also forgot in our last video, here what it looks like. Because when we showed the new update, this is what it looks like. Pretty cool, whatever. But it's just a tower. Now let's get a new car. Sorry about that. We have to get a new car. And we got a short car. Big wheels. Pretty good. Let's go to the other side this time. Woo! This is kind of fast. You can go without them. Drive, and oh, they play that in slow-mo. Oh, it's so cool. Drive, and oh, new car, and I don't know why it's not changing colors, but it's okay. Let's off-road, and we just destroyed the car. Crazy. Let's try to do this perfectly. There's no seat. Okay, at least we have a dashcam view of our driving. I don't know why we even crashed in the first place. Off-road. Is that a car? Oh wait, it's the old car. I wonder why they can't drive and teleport like have a new car. Let's jump and the van started. Bye. Okay, let's do this again. Jump, and close. We're having a good off-road experience here. It's just kind of boring because I don't have multiplayer and jump, jump, and jump. Okay, let's change our car, cause why not? We are with a new car. Yes, like I said. We said we're gonna get a new car, and it's a pickup truck, but it's an off-road. So let's at least try this guy and make us. Probably in the other video, I'll maybe do off-roading, but with a school bus, or off-roading with the weirdest car ever. Comment below which video Zaki I'm recording. That was just a bad word. Sorry about that. And the car's not really doing such well, so let's scramble everything and check what we get. Guess I didn't need to pause, but look! See, this is a good off-road. Let's try. So first off, we got a dash cam, pretty nice. And the car should be fun. Nope, the car's still there. This is a pretty slow off-road car. But there's no even seat, so how am I even driving this? There's no steering wheel also. Can it drive without the steering wheel? If it cannot, then this is pretty cool. Well, we're still pretty off-road. You know what? Let's go somewhere. So, you're wondering, why are we at the traffic area? So, there is a little bit of off-road here because if we go to this kind of road, or there, I'm kind of laggy, I'm sorry, but let's at least try the off-road in all of these rocks. So, yeah, I changed the car. But let's try to go up in the mountain so we can see each car that can go up, and guess we failed. Okay, so since we're gonna end the video soon, I got the edit, I got the car. We're gonna pause. Not gonna lie, this is the weirdest off-road car I've ever seen yet. But soon it will get more weirder when I do another video of this. Let's try off-road with this blue car. And let's go off-road in this area. Okay. We're driving good. If this wins, I'm gonna end the video. By the way, let's go try to reach the top so I can end the video. No pausing because you won't believe me. So, yes. We're making it. Yes. And we did it. Wait, no, it's over there. Over there. And there. So, well, guys, thank you so much for subscribing. I already reached to the top. This is the not really biggest yet. So, let's just go down and end the video. Boop. Hit the screen, like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video of BeamNG Dragons. Bye!